Sit in judgment to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Wish I had a gavel. I do not own a gavel. Probably not a good idea when I live in a household with small children because they like to pound things. So our idiom, sit in judgment, today actually comes from the medieval English court system, where the actual box that presided in the courtroom and that existed in the courtroom was called the judgment seat. And so you were literally sitting in the judgment seat, so sitting in judgment when you were participating in a medieval trial. So that spread to go from just being sitting in judgment in a courtroom and in court cases to the fact that we all judge all the time and that we sit in judgment of things. We form opinions, we make decisions about things, and that is the definition of judgment. So how can we use this sit in judgment to supersize and grow our businesses? Well, it's come to mean to decide whether or not something or someone is guilty or innocent of anything, right? So we can think about our employees doing feedback and performance reviews. Are they guilty or innocent of following and doing their job well? That is a form of sitting in judgment. As a boss, as a supervisor, as a leader, it's our job to give people feedback with respect to their performance. We can sit in judgment about the competition, right? We judge the competition and what other people in other industries or within our own industry are doing that we like or don't like. If they're doing something that's getting them more customers than us, we probably don't like it. But what can we learn from it? We sit in judgment of ourselves, right? When it comes to decisions that we make, things that we learn, projects that we select, ways and strategies we use to build and grow our business, whether they're marketing or quality or manufacturing or maintenance, etc. We make all those choices and decisions based on judgment calls, based on the information we have, based on our past experiences. And we sit in judgment of ourselves, whether that was a good decision or a bad decision, right? And again, hopefully we take the lessons that we learned from the things that didn't work out perfectly for us the first time. Like hardly anything works out perfectly for us the absolute first time we do it. And we learn from that, and then we do something else. And we keep doing iterations until we get the results and the success that we want. So I find this it's a great idiom, and it just reminds us that we're always judging, we're always questioning, we're always forming opinions about everything around us. And just because we form an opinion doesn't mean we can't change our mind, and it doesn't mean we were right or wrong. It just was the decision and the opinion and the choice we had at the time. One of the best things we can do for our businesses is to continue to grow and expand and become a better version of ourselves and our business to serve the people that we're here to serve better. So I'd love to know your experience with sit in judgment or sitting in judgment. Have you been unfairly judged by others? Probably. Have you ever unfairly judged others? Probably. So that's our idiom today. Go out, make it an awesome day. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business? Have a great day.